Welcome to the channel Encyclopedia Catalanic. Let me tell you something. I love lock collecting because periodically, not oftenly, but there is a time when something like this comes to the collection. See? That's the lock which is mystery to me. It's Yugoslavian for sure, but it's so old that practically no one knows its origin, which factory made it, when it was made, and how many models that factory made. This thing came to me pretty long time ago, and I spent countless hours. I asked countless people, but no one knows anything about it. They see it, they guess something, but I'm sure it's not the truth. It's not the right information, because the right informations are lost forever. That's the beauty of lock collecting, to find out the truth about this particular lock or any rare lock that comes to the collection. When you look at this lock, it's shaped like those old Yale padlocks. It's Yale style, Yale design from late 30s. It's warded lock. If you see, this lock has wardings inside, and its name is Obilić. Obilić is a duke from Middle Ages, Serbian duke from Middle Ages, hero of the Kosovo battle against Ottoman Empire, and this lock is called Obilić. Look at this logo. Look at that. Can you see it? Beautiful logo. It has a star, communist star, Yugoslavian star, and two crossed skeleton keys, like crossed bones. Really, really interesting and collectible piece. And on the bottom, it says made in FNRJ. But there is a mistake. Yugoslavia, ex-Yugoslavia, changed a couple of its names after the Second World War, when communist regime occupied Yugoslavia. The first name was Democratic Federative Republic of Yugoslavia. That name lasted a couple of years, and they changed it to Federative People Republic of Yugoslavia. That name lasted till 1962, when they changed it to Socialist Federative Republic of Yugoslavia. But what's interesting about this stamping here? It's FNRJ. J is not correct letter for Yugoslavia. It's not Jugoslavia, it's Yugoslavia. So U letter needs to be here. Why it isn't here? Well, first theory is that people were not educated enough, because this lock is probably made in 50s. So people were not educated enough. They didn't speak English, and they usually knew how to speak French, German, Russian. So English, no. Maybe somebody, but general population, no, not at all. So it could be a mistake made by some engineer, or it could be that old machinery which was used to make this padlock wasn't accommodated to English letters, because Yugoslavian Latin is a bit different than English Latin. So there are some letters that are not the same. The next mysterious thing is that coating, that coloration. It's only orange color, but this color is really interesting because it's anodized aluminum. I never saw a padlock which was finished, painted with anodized aluminum, with anodizing, if it's made out of aluminum. It's usually painted in some color, but some dye was used, but never anodized aluminum or anodizing. So I usually saw anodizing on bicycle parts, newer bicycle parts for trekking bikes, mountain bikes, etc. So this is really interesting. It's not in good shape, it's not even in bad shape due to its age, but it was used. It was used for sure. It's not worn out, but it has some wear on it. It has some wear on it. You look at that keyway, that keyhole. It's wider than it should be. So it's used. So we're gonna try to pick it, and I will use this bicycle spoke, which I accommodated to be a tension wrench for bottom of the keyway, but because it's a warded lock, I will try to use this tension wrench as warded lock pick. One more thing, and it's an important thing. I never saw this thing, this feature in any other warded lock. It has a security feature. The shackle locking a notch where leaf spring goes into and locks the shackle in place, it has one stair, like a staircase. It has one stair, so it's double locking, but from only one side. Why is that? They thought about that someone could insert something and try to manipulate with the lock. So if somebody touch the locking leaf spring, it will go, the object will move it, but not enough, so it will fall to the next stair, but shackle won't come out. So it's something like a primitive security feature for warded locks. I never saw that security feature in any warded lock except this one. So we will see what it takes to pick it open. We will try to search for the right chamber. It's something in the middle. It's located in the middle. But there are many chambers. There it is. I think I touched it, but nothing happened. Many chambers. There it is. It has chambers like LZ Roto or LZ Ovo padlock. Here it is. We got this open. I'll try to, if you can hear it, this is unlocked. You see, the frame is made out of aluminium, and this, those sides shields are made of steel. Did they had color? I don't know. Probably they were chromed like the shackle, but really don't know. It was beautiful padlock when it was made. Listen to this. First, second stair. First level, second level of locking. Why? Just because someone could shove something inside and try to manipulate the lock, and it has that security feature which will prevent a thief to successfully enter the lock. Where did I find that chamber? There it is. No, it's slipped. It slipped. The keyhole moves also, that keyhole ring, so it's not easy. I don't know what's inside. I can be sure. It's by pure feeling. I need to feel what's inside. So at that period, it was pretty interesting and pretty secure padlock, because we are talking about the 50s. Trying to find it again. No. There it is. There it is. So we got this open again. Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.